Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Just want to quickly wrap up the day here. In the UK, it is just about 9:45 here in the evening, but obviously I've got a worldwide audience here, so you will most likely have a different time zone. But nevertheless, just want to have a look here at, I'll give you an explanation of what Bitcoin has done sort of in the last 5-6 hours. We'll start here with just briefly playing the snippet from the last video when we were at exactly, as you can see on the video screen here, we were exactly at $30,000 and 0 cents. So let's play that. A bit higher, so we could even reach here the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. And however, above that, it just gets again a little bit less likely that this is here still a pink wave 4. So 30,600 absolutely still possible in this current scenario, but at 30,300 we would expect some resistance. Bear in mind I already did a video before that when we were at 29,500 very early today, and I told you that we are most likely getting into this wave 4 correction here with this pink wave 4, and which we did, and the ideal level for that is just this $30,300 level, which you can see is very relevant because the price has so far not managed to get above it, and this is just where typically in a wave 4 you would find resistance, and you might actually react quite strongly to it. Now so far we haven't really seen a strong reaction to it. We have seen some reaction. We came towards it, we broke away from it, came all the way down to just below 30k again, but we've just tried to break above it again, haven't managed to do so. But if we do, I think the next resistance will be here around $30,600 US dollars. If this is really what I expect, which would be an impulsive move down, then what we need to see, we need to break below this. First of all, the wave 3 low would be the first confirmation that here this wave 4 is finished. So if we move down, this can now be labeled already, this wave 4, as an ABC with that latest move that we had here, because we came down all the way today to 29.6k actually. So the wave 4 is an ABC wave, so we can label it like that already, ABC. However, the likelihood is that we still move to 30.6k. We don't need to though. It has done what it needs to do in this wave 4, and it could now turn around at any point in time. And as I told you, we could really have the situation that this wave 4 here in red has peaked up here, and that we are now in this wave 5 in red, which would be finishing somewhere down here. And my view is still we could go down to 22k at the moment. This is what I can see. And that would finish off the overall correction for Bitcoin. This next leg down as indicated here on the roadmap on the chart. Now, what would need to happen next in this scenario? This is, I think I've got a good case for this scenario. Of course, it's never guaranteed, but I think I've got a good case. So especially as this has come down quite strongly here in this wave 3 corrective wave currently. This looks so corrective, which means it's just looking like a wave 4. It is corrective. It just means you have a lot of overlaps. You have a mix of red and green candles. It's certainly less steep than that wave 3. And very shortly, I would expect here then a move down in this scenario. And this would need to break in the first instance here that 29.3k level. In the next instance, then that 28k level, and then also here the 25.5k level, and we would need to get below that in this wave 5. And that would then complete ideally the overall correction for Bitcoin. So as you can see here in pink, you've got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This completes here in yellow the wave 3. Then we will have a wave 4 retracement and a wave 5 here in yellow down. And this would be this wave 4, this wave 5 here in yellow is part of the wave 5 and of the overall wave 2. Why wave 2? Because this is the overall wave count here. We have moved up in an impulsive wave 1 back in April 21. Since then, we have been in a correction, an A, B, C pattern. That wave B is part of the correction. an expanded flat, and we are now coming down here in this wave, in this last wave down, which is part of that wave 2. And whenever that correction is finished, we should be able to recover to new all-time highs, but I don't know how long this will take. But this is what we've been talking about for the last 6 months. We've come into this target area finally, and now we are looking here probably still at one more low. And I have to say it in every video, the low could theoretically be in, because that target area that I gave you in November, December for a wave 2 correction between 20 and 28.6k has been reached in May, and therefore from a high level point of view the correction requirements have been completed. It is just that here on the lower time frame I do not see enough evidence yet that the correction is over, and therefore I expect, as outlined here on the chart, another lower low in this impulsive move down. So I remained of this view even when we moved up here to 32, 33k, and there is still well, I won't call it a risk, but the possibility is still there that we get into this target area for the wave 4 once more. This is, by the way, between 32.1k and 34.2, but at the moment not yet. I think this will get more likely if we move above. Let me just, so either when we see some kind of a stronger move up, but we can also call this, we can look at it in terms of the Fibonacci retracement. So if we really move above 30,900 once more, because this is a 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level, very unlikely a wave 4 here in pink will reach that. So if we go above that, I think then we have really good chances to actually move once more into the yellow target area. And then this wave count here is probably not going to happen, at least not yet. What that would then mean is that the sell-off will be a bit delayed, and that we will first go up once more here in this target area before we then come down. I mentioned to you before that we can count all of this just as a larger wave Y, in this case an A, B, C, forming the wave Y, which will then be finished somewhere here. But I don't want to make it too confusing. This is currently how I see it. So below 30,600, ideally starting to move down, breaking below 29.3k to trigger that further sell-off down to complete here the yellow wave 3 in a wave 5, or the pink wave 5 in the yellow wave 3, which would then go on in a wave 4 in yellow and a wave 5 in yellow to complete the overall Bitcoin correction. I think that is what we all want, what we're all waiting for. So hopefully you liked the update about Bitcoin. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. And also maybe you want to consider checking out the trading course I'm currently offering on morecryptoonline.com. I do publish 1 chapter per week, uploaded 1 video today again. Topic this week and last week actually in that trading course was the Elliott Wave method. So still working on that chapter. Uploaded 1 video today, and there is regular content coming until we have 15 chapters complete. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.